In this video, I will show you how to do first differences in time series using Stata. First, I changed my working directory using the cd command. Then I use InSheet to import the Bitcoin time series. I covered the Bitcoin time series and how to obtain the data in a different video. Then I generate a time dimension by counting observations using the _n method. I declare the time dimension using tset. First, it's always useful to have a look at the time series using a simple line chart. I focus on daily closing prices over time. And as you can see, the performance of Bitcoin has been quite interesting. In a different video, I speak about stationarity and unit root testing. In this context, converting a time series like this one into a stationary time series can be obtained using first differencing. First differencing means I look at the change of the time series, not its level. After declaring your time dimension, you can use time series operators in Stata to obtain a first difference. One way to obtain that is to generate a new variable, which I call the close_d variable, using the time series operator d dot in front of your variable name. This gives me a first difference time series. I can also work with d dot time series directly in other commands, like in a line chart or a regression model. I don't have to first generate a new variable. As you can see, the d dot operator gives me the change in value moving from this position to the next position. So here we, for instance, lose 32.89. Now, looking at the first difference time series, you have a very common pattern in price data that the change in price tends to be stationary, and you also see these periods of high volatility. These are so-called volatility clusters. They can be analyzed further using a bit more advanced time series methods. I see you in the next one.